Tyrone. Tyrone. What? Are you gonna walk up the staircase? So walking to that train looking kind of creepy.
It is pretty cool, creepy. Oh yeah, that's right.
Yo, we found this big ass cave. I wish we saw that big flashlight. Dude, that's actually a huge cave. It goes really deep. You can't see it on camera. I don't want to fuck with it. There could actually be a bear down there. Like dead ass. Oh. Dude, I wish we brought that flashlight now. Okay, we found some bulls over there. We don't want to fuck with those. Hey, you want to make Jackass 9?
Jackass.
I don't know which one we're on.
Jackass 8.
Damn. Dude, we really should have brought that flashlight. Hey, that's so loud. Hello?
Hello?
Is there anyone in there? Yo, if there was a bear in there, you could have just provoked it. Remember, kids, protection.
Oh God. Take these.
I brought a flashlight. Okay, hold on.
I'm sure it's already recording.
Hey, let's not be in here too long. There could be a asbestos in here, however you pronounce it.
Yeah. You ever just kind of wonder, like, what happened here?
No, I really don't.
When was the last time this thing stopped? And why?
I don't know.
Think about it.
I think it ran out of gas. Broken windows.
Whoa.
Go. Check those corners.
That's fucking dumb.
So I should have brought this up later or earlier, but I did read on the website, not a website, but there was like a thing for this. Apparently a lot of people have died here, like dead ass. Here,
What?
hold this.
What?
Damn, there's a smashed light in here, like a traffic light for trains. Also, I should have brought this up later or earlier, but I did read on the website, not a website, but there was like a thing for this. Apparently a lot of people have died here, like dead ass. Here,
What?
hold this.
What?
Yeah.
I wish you told me this.
I should have told you before, but First person view, me climbing.
Because it's so rusted, there is no floor.
Oh. Step
Yeah,
on this
don't-
wood shit.
Don't step on the sheet metal.
Yeah, look at that.
Will fall through.
Okay. Only weigh 189,000. In this middle, there's a huge support beam. So let's go on this. Michael. He just falls through. Hey, walk in the middle. There's a huge support beam.
Huge what?
Support beam right here.
Oh.
He just falls through. Dude, I would laugh and then cry. We'd be flopped. Birds are kind of like. Hello? Is there anyone in here? We're just exploring shit. We're not meanies. Careful. Hello? Damn. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Hearing.
Look at this.
What is that noise?
What?
What is that noise? Sounds like a bird or something, but damn.
So the cat was exhaling.
Probably. We should take some thumbnails in here, dude. This is cool as fuck, dude. Probably a lot of asbestos. I guess this is asbestos. Yeah, you want me to take your picture?
Not record it now. We can always come
Oh,
back.
someone's been here. They're just riding.
I wonder.
Picture.
I got an idea.
Are you just gonna be sitting here?
It's not actually that bad. I won't lie to you. If I was riding this train, I'd be happy. Yeah.
Oh, dude, we get on top of the train right there. Okay, let's go, Michael. Look, there's a ladder and probably get up there. This one's boarded off, but we could probably get in somehow. That one's boarded off, but there's a fucking hole in the middle. Yo, Michael, it's open on this side. Yeah, come on. Dude, that would have been pointless if we broke down that door or something. And I didn't realize it's open on their side. Steering wheel. Damn. Bunch of weird shit in here. This one looks dangerous. It's like a fire extinguisher or something. Pants. Hello? Ew, there's a toilet. Dude, there's a shitter. I don't know what the fuck Michael's doing. You gotta come in here, there's a shitter. Okay, nice. What's in that window? Record inside that window.
Hold on. This is a picture.
Okay. Wait, let me get a wider shot. Wait, hold on, I gotta... Alright, Michael, you gotta be posing or something, I can't see you. You're behind that thing. Okay.
On top of this train. And this window is really foggy, but you could kind of see. What the fuck is that? Okay. I don't know what the fuck that is, but okay.
Hey, let's go, Michael. Be careful, dude. We gotta hurry up though. There's a shitter in here. There's a toilet.
I gotta hurry, bro.
Yeah, come on, get down. Okay. More pants. I don't know what that is. It's a seat. Oh, it's the conductor's seat. Think safety. Clearly we did not. I don't know what that. That's a bird nest. Some switches in here. Oh, look, this is the conductor's place. Wait, there's a seat there, a window. Seat there and a window. Dude. Ugh. Michael, look in that door.
Oh, it's a shitter. It's a shitter. Oh, leave shit.
Like, look up on the left and right. There's seats with handles. Okay, let's get going.
Wait,
What?
can we get a pic in these seats?
There's a hole punch in
I'd
that one.
honestly rather it be dark for that picture anyway. I'd rather it be dark for a lot of these pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a hole punch in this one. Hello. That one's kicked.
It's another conductor. It's the same thing.
Conductor is a problem. I don't feel like going in here really, but it looks like just stuff. Oh, there's a mini fridge or no, a shelf. Something back there.
Whoa, dude.
Michael, put that down. Not like that. Watch out.
Dude, this one burned.
Watch out. Are you caught on fire?
Yeah, it's burned.
Oh, hey, be careful where you step. Seriously.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
What is that can? It looks, oh, it's spray paint. We should not be standing this close together.
We should
On
be
this
in
thing.
this car.
Yeah, that's right. Get out. Get the fuck out.
Oh, I'm getting it.
This one got set on fire.
Handle's just a little loose. Look, it melted.
Damn.
Last melted.
Dude, they're all the exact same conductor. Oh, this one's open. Share. Second share. Leather seats for conductors.
Look. Oh.
What? Yo, it smells. Yo, Michael. Oh, get the fuck out. It's a cat. Fuck that. Ugh. Dude, I was wondering why it smelled so bad in there.
I know.
There's a cat in there.
I saw it, dude.
You did?
Yeah.
Fuck that. I just had a feeling. As soon as I walked in there, it smelled really bad. Like a dead thing that's in there.
Dead?
No, there's a cat probably eating it. No, I saw it move. I don't know if I want to go record that cat or not. Gave me a minor heart attack. I don't know if there's asbestos in here, by the way, so if there is and you get cancer 20 years later and die, I'm sorry.
I mean, I don't see any more cars that way. I think we're good. I think we're good.
Yeah, let's head back.
Should we get those pictures?
Man, there's a cat in there. I want to get it on video, but like, there's no point. There's no point, and also like, I don't want to get rabies. Sorry we're not super energetic in this video. We've been walking non-stop and we're out of breath. Hopefully that cat doesn't come harass us.
Actually. We good?
Yeah. Okay, we found this weird symbol, and it says 21 guns.
21 guns.
Is that Green Day song? Salute, we are the devil. I think it says.
Oh, 21 guns. Salute you. We are the devil. It's not one sentence. It's three.
Weird. Okay, let's go.
Oh, swords. I'm crossing the fence. I do. We've had a great time here, but our time has come to the end.